our law enforcement agencies are pursuing now and agents, no? We have now teams looking at possibilities. Alam niyo yung we're confirming information na mentor. Alam niyo yung mini-mentor yung mga bata na may nag-e-engage sa kanila. Tinetext sila, tapos parang meron silang kinoconsult na okay ba tong ginawa ko? Ano ba tong gagawin ko? So we're pursuing those aspects, no? But the details, I can only give you generalities kasi ongoing yung actions ng law enforcement agencies natin. On the aspect of it being a terrorist act, definitely, nakikita naman, because the purpose of terrorism is to sow fear, di ba? In the general population. Also, pag nakita nyo, that element of creating fear on the public, it's present, no? So, ito yung mga nuances of things that we continue on fighting, no?
Yung nabanggit yung mentoring na pinupursu ninyo, para saan po?
Ito yung alam
vaccination?
nyo yung ine-engage yung bata. Pag nakita kasi na yung may flags na ganun yung bata, nagbababad sa ganong violent games, may mga nagta-target sa kanila and nire-recruit sila on certain group chats. Tapos yun na nagsisimula. So, pero heavy na ang mga law enforcement agencies natin on this. We're pursuing all these leads, no? Tapos, ang pakiusap ko pala, this is an appeal to the parents and to those really exercising parental authority. Please, exercise it with earnest, no? Tutukan natin kung anong ginagawa ng mga bata natin. Let's engage. Kausapin natin sila. Kasi, baka sasabihin kasi, I have kids, no? Laging sasabihin nila, it depends naman on the person, pero let's guide them, no? You know your children better, you know your kids better. Please, tutukan natin yung mga bata, no? Yung kung ano yung ginagawa nila.